Got this Mitsubishi Lancer right here. The customer said the car would die in like 3 days. The door lock wasn't put in right. Like when you turn the key, it wouldn't actuate inside. I'd fixed that. So I have the car on my charger. I disconnected the battery right here. You can see it's separated. It's not making connection. But it's going through my meter. Okay, so when the door is closed, it's a 200 milliamp draw. I could probably close the door and show you guys. I think I found the issue because I looked on the diagram and there's a Bluetooth module on the car. Pretty sure that's what the issue is. I touched it, it was hot, so I'm assuming that's going to be our draw. Let's let this car go to sleep real quick. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I was hoping to make this a really quick video. I don't think any of the other doors are open. So there we go. It's going to sleep. It'll stay at like 2.22. I think it was 0.22. There it goes. 0.22. That's our draw right there. And it'll stay like that for just like 2 hours, 3 hours or so. So that's what we're at right now. So we'll open this door. When we open the door, it turns the lights on in here because I don't have it tripped. But when I came in here and I touched this module up here, I don't even know what it looks like. Look at all that heat. Look how hot that is. That's our draw right there. So, look how hot that is compared to the rest of the car. So I'm gonna unplug this module. Can we see more of that module? Oh, there we go. Now we got a good photo of it. Look how hot that is. There's a bar there. Turn my flash on. You guys can see. So there you go. Now you can see what the module looks like. Yeah, right there it is. So if we unplug this, I think our draw should go away. And also, somebody never put the cover on this. I don't see the cover in here, but there's no cover on this cabin filter. Let's see if we can do this all in one video. With no edits. Maybe. There we go. So now that's unplugged. Now we can close our door. See if our draw goes away. Let's see. You gotta be careful opening doors though when you have your meter in series. Look at that. On Asian cars, a lot of times it's a Bluetooth module like Honda's and that. Look at that. Going lower. Can't go any lower. But not on that scale. We'd have to switch scales. But look at that, 10 milliamps. So I'm happy with that. So I hope you guys like it. It was a quick one. There's only like 4 screws. Just 4 screws for this panel and a clip. So we'll just leave that unplugged right now for the customer. He's an older guy, so I don't think he even uses Bluetooth. So I'll put this back in and we'll get this good to go. just 4 screws across here. So I hope you guys like this. See you guys later. Okay, I just want to show you guys real quick why I thought it was that one. Because when I went underneath the diagram right here, this is the computer data lines. I was just scrolling down through here looking at the possible modules, like you can see AC, ECU, and that. And I came over here right after engine. I'm like, oh, hands free. I'm like, I wonder if this is like a Honda, and that's causing a draw. And that's why I went there. A lot of Hondas and that the hands free will do that. I don't see too many Mitsubishis, so just figured, hey, we'll quick check that. Nothing else looked hot on the scan. I mean, on the thermal camera when I quick walked around the car. So I just went after that because I'm like, oh, there's a couple modules back there. We'll see what's hot. So yeah, there wasn't a lot of modules, and actually that other one was Evo. So let's go down to this one because this wasn't an Evo, and there wasn't a lot of modules on this car. So that's why I went for that. So I hope you guys like this. See you later.